shift our focus to some big news that we are getting for you from Kerala. And this is about a high-profile sexual assault case. 8 years after the high-profile scandal involving actor Dileep, what we have learned that a trial court in Kochi has pronounced its verdict in the sensational case. And what we can also tell you is that actor Dileep has been acquitted. He was found not guilty in this case. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Arpita joining us for more on this. Arpita, it's a big development 8 years after the verdict has been announced and actor Dileep has been acquitted.
Well, yes, this is a big sensational news since the news broke out in 2017. Now, Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court has said that accused number 1 to 6, that is the main accused, Palsa Soni is accused number 1. To accused number 6, they are found guilty, and actor Dileep, who is accused number 8, is acquitted. They have said, the court has said that there's no proof against Dileep of his involvement in the case, and that is why they have said that he's not guilty. This is a big development because the case happened in 2017 in February. After that, it took about 3 years to start the trial, and now it's been almost more than 8 years, and finally the verdict is out. Even though initially it was said that Dileep is the mastermind, because even initial investigation did not have much proof against Dileep, he was named as accused number 8 in the entire case. During the investigation, during the process of investigation, a lot of witnesses had turned hostile. They had changed their words last minute. This had given prosecution a lot of trouble, because when the prosecution was submitting the witness in the court, that is when they had turned hostile. The case revolves around actress Dileep and Manju Warrier. In fact, the survivor is Manju Warrier, actress Manju Warrier, who was then Dileep's wife's best friend. So it is said that Dileep had an affair with another actress, and this survivor had given this information to his then wife Manju Warrier. That led to anger in actor Dileep, and that is why he had conspired against the survivor. Even though initially when the news came out that this survivor was gang raped in a moving car, while she was traveling from Thrissur to Ernakulam, actor Dileep had come forward showing all the support. But later, few days later, it was known that actor is involved in this case. Since then, it is 8 years since then. Dileep, in fact, earlier had served 85 days in jail. But even after that,
Arpita, I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to please stay on with us. I'm also being